Hello everyone. Now we're going to do critical thinking mindset self-test. There are 20 questions for you to answer with only yes or no. So each question, the answer can be either yes or no. That's all you need to answer. So after the test, you will be given the way to calculate your scores. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started with the critical thinking mindset self-test. Uh, 20 questions. So, question one, I was courageous enough to ask tough questions about some of my longest held and most cherished beliefs. Yes or no? Question two, I backed away from questions that might undercut some of my longest held and most cherished beliefs. Write down yes or no as your answer. Question three, I showed tolerance toward the beliefs, ideas, or opinions of someone with whom I disagreed. Yes or no? Question four, I tried to find information to build up my side of an argument, but not the other side. Yes or no? As your answer. Question five. I tried to think ahead and anticipate the consequences of various opinions. Yes or no? Question six. I laughed at what other people said and made fun of their beliefs, values, opinion, or points of view. Yes or no as the answer. Question seven. I made a serious effort to be analytical about feasible outcomes of my decisions. Yes or no? Question eight. I manipulated information to suit my own purposes. Yes or no? Question 9. I encouraged peers not to dismiss out of hand the opinions and ideas other people offered. Yes or no as your answer. Question 10. I acted with disregard for the possible adverse consequences of my choices. Yes or no? Question 11. I organized for myself a thoughtfully systematic approach to a question or issue. Yes or no? Write down your answer. Question 12. I jumped in and tried to solve a problem without first thinking about how to approach it. Yes or no? Question 13. I approached a challenging problem with confidence that I could think it through. Yes or no? As your answer. Question 14. I, instead of working through a question for myself, took the easy way out and asked someone else for the answer. Yes or no? Question 15. I read a report, newspaper, or book chapter, or watched the world news, or a documentary just to learn something new. Yes or no as the answer. Question 16. I put zero effort into learning something new until I saw the immediate utility in doing so. Yes or no as the answer. Write it down. Question 17. I showed how strong I was by being willing to honestly reconsider a decision. Yes or no? Question 18. I showed how strong I was by refusing to change my mind. Yes or no? Write down your answer. Question 19. I attended to variations in circumstances, contexts, and situations in coming to a decision. Yes or no? Write down your answer. Then the final question, question 20. I refused to reconsider my position on an issue in light of differences in context, situations, or circumstances. So that's the end of the test. And now, are you ready to work out your result? How? Let's see how to calculate the result. Oh, sorry. Something wrong here. The result. The test result. So that's the way you're going to work out your test result. 5 points for every yes on odd numbered items. So if you have yes for question number 1, number 3, number 5, such odd numbered question, you got 5 points for each answer. Then 5 points for every no on even-numbered items. So no answer as answer on even-numbered items, you get 5 points for each answer. So now you can add up how many points you have got. If your total is 70 points or above, that means you are rating your disposition or your mindset toward critical thinking is generously positive. So you have a positive mindset with critical thinking. On the other hand, if you scores less than 50 or lower, that indicates your self-rating is some kind of hostile towards critical thinking. Okay, that means you have sort of negative attitude towards critical thinking. So if your scores just between 50 and 70, that means your mindset towards critical thinking is sort of mixed. It's not so clear. So you switch on and off sometimes with your mindset toward critical thinking. Anyway, this test is just give very rough indication about your mindset toward critical thinking. You can use this as a reference along the way you are doing more work to improve your critical thinking with our course. So that's all for this test. I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.